So Dave Blunt's hopped on IG Live while his girlfriend was knocked out sleeping. Instead of letting her rest, Dave decided he wanted something to eat and woke her up to ask her to cook. She told him she was tired and promised she would make something in the morning. But Dave wasn't trying to hear that. He playfully threatened to kick her out over it.
You really tired?
Mm-hmm.
How tired are you? I'm very tired.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, so you just gonna go to sleep without making me nothing to eat? That's crazy, baby.
So tired.
You so tired? That's pretty crazy, baby. I'm not gonna lie.
I didn't have to go to sleep.
You said what?
I was on the plane. I didn't have to go to sleep.
Damn, so I gotta cook my own. What you telling me, baby? I gotta cook my own.
No, I can make it for tomorrow for like you just.
Tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so it's like 9:25 right now. It's like 3 hours until it's like midnight. Technically, that's tomorrow. It's crazy, maybe. Tomorrow. You might have to get up out of here tomorrow. How about that? I'm about to do some immature. Just start yelling. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Cause you promised that you were gonna make. I'm joking. Just chill out. You wanna go lay down, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Let's go lay down. You can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man. Seriously, it's like, not making anything to eat is pretty wild. But real, you have to go make my bed before we go in there, though. The sheets is in the dryer. Let's get to it. Chop, chop. I'm joking. Take your time, baby. I love you. You love me?
Later on, Dave posted a clip of her laying on his stomach looking real cozy, and he goes on to say, "She fell asleep on me without cooking dinner. I still F with her though. Never mind, fellas, she's cooking, let's go. After cooking a good meal, she's now rubbing my stomach." Now, I'm not gonna lie, that's real love right there. Waking up to cook for your man, even when you're tired. That's different. Hopefully, Dave puts a ring on that finger because that's wife material. This has been the exclusive message. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.